morning, kids!
Welcome to a beautiful jungle.
Hello, friends! My name is Piku the Parrot.
Today, Pico has a little adventure for us.
Come with me.
Let's start the story.
Oh, my tummy is rumbling so much. I'm so hungry, please feed me. Hee yummy.
Pico closes his eyes and starts to imagine.
Wow, I am sitting on a big fruit tree. Yummy fruits everywhere. Beautiful. I feel the magic.
I don't think I can fly.
You can do it. We'll help.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I did it! Thank you!
Hey, why is the parrot sad?
Let's help him.
Little friend?
We are here with you.
I will lift you up.
I will support you.
Thank you, friends.
Let's get the fruits.
Okay, teamwork time.
I'll help from here.
1, 2, up. Almost there.
Let's share these yummy fruits.
Yeah, this one is for me. And this one for me.
Dear children, when friends help each other, everything becomes easy. Did you like our story?
Please like the video. Right, don't forget to subscribe. Smart Kids Studio. Like, comment, subscribe, view.
Please like the video.
Write a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.